Very nice. But they put like that. Very nice, right? This one too. Yeah, I know. This place is very nice. So you really love it. And I do. Hi, Obasi. I really cannot understand what your comment all about, but then thank you for watching. And are you from Russia? What language is that? I think it is. Can you say happy birthday to me? I'm 17 today. Hi, Raina Sandhu. Happy birthday. Wow. Wow, it's your birthday today? My mother. Wow, happy 17th birthday to Raina Sandhu. Happy birthday. Thank you for watching. Please like and share. Share. Wow, happy birthday to you. My mother's birthday will be tomorrow, so what is face to face? Daffy, face to face. Where are you going now? I'm going to my boarding house. Face, please. My face? Oh my gosh. I'm wearing mask. Hi, Daffy. Welcome to my channel. Please like and share. Oh, good morning. Oh, you're from Germany? Really? Wow. Wow, good morning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my live from, what is this? Thomas Altro. Good morning to you. Instagram, I am Gazelle Official. My Instagram is Bayanyenser8. Six o'clock here. Oh, here is 12 noon. 12:08 noon. Same time in Philippines. Hong Kong and Philippines time is the same. Oh, good morning and thank you so much for watching. My Instagram is Bayanyenser8. I drink some beer. Oh, really? You drink some beer? I don't know. Write your account name. Should I write? You can search. You can search Bravo Alpha. What is this? I know where you are. Wait, what happened? I think I pressed something. Wait. I pressed the green screen? What happened?